Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here.
Today we're going to make some super fun @ and hashtag earrings that I showed how to do in my last live stream. So I'm going to use aluminum wire. It's 0.9 millimeters, about 20 gauge. Your tools, you need a couple of round forms and your hooks. And I actually printed out these. And we're going to cut a piece that's probably about 12 inches long, is more than enough. And what we're going to do, it took me a little while to figure out the design to know which way to bend the wires. And so basically what I do to start is I leave a little bit at the top to do the little kind of loop type of thing. And then we're going to bend the wire to the back to start. And then you could just use the template just to have a little idea for the size. I usually freehand it, but you can also use the template. So the first thing you want to do is make the little line at the bottom. So we're going to bend that about that. This seems to be about 1/4 inch, so you could eyeball it like that. And then we're going to bring this one in here. Okay, and then you could compare it to the template, or you can just imagine like this. We're going to need a little space there and then a little bit extra on that side. We're going to bend that back. And then this one, you need to bend it down. So we're going to bend this part down, have the same amount of space on either side. So we're going to bend that one down. And then you want to bend it, keep bending it to the back. So we're going to take this here and bend it to the back. If you need to adjust the length a little bit, try to make it the same as the other here. So this is bent also to the back. And then we're going to bend this part to the back too. So imagine how much you need for this line and then a little bit more. And then we're going to bend that to the back here. And then this part we're going to bend to the right. And like I said, you can use the template if you want, or you can just eyeball it. And then this one, see, we've been bending back, back, back. Now this time we're going to bend it to the front. So we're going to take this and bend it around to the front here. So already you have your little hashtag. Now you want to make these two the same length, so you can measure it if you want, or you can just eyeball it. So this you're bending now to the back, bending that to the back, and then we're going to bend this up. So I've actually cut the wire too long, as I often do, because I don't like to run out of wire. So now that you have this shape right, if you find you need to adjust, like if I didn't bend it enough, we just bend it there and push it over a little bit more. I hadn't bent it enough. And then we're going to get our flat pliers. So this is just, we're going to hold it at the top of the line there, bring this around a full turn. So we've twisted it around there and cut it. Okay, and then we want to make a loop here. So we're going to take this, bend this to the left, take our round pliers and make the loop. So we have our loop, and then we're going to hold this in place, do a full turnaround. And what I like to do, so this doesn't like go up and down, I just catch that little piece with the wire, cut it there, give it a little bit of a pinch, and there you have your hashtag. And we can put a earring hook on it, and then we're going to do the & sign. So you can make a pair of hashtags, or if you want to get really geeky, you can do the @ sign. So for that, it's a little bit different. So we're going to take another piece of wire. I always cut it too long. And what you want to do is we're going to form this circle part first. So we want to start to form the A. So if we remove that, we're just going to take this and bring this to the front. Okay, we're going to bring it around here. So we have, like, we're making somewhat of the shape. You can make it rounder if you want. You can really adjust it how you want. So it just might take a little bit of fiddling around so you get it how you like. Make it as round as you want. Okay, so then we have sort of the beginning part here. Let's make a full turn. Okay. Okay, so that's the starting point for the A. And then we want to pull this one towards the front. So we're going to fold that over. I always like to start it with the pliers a little bit just so it doesn't get warped out of place. So this is going to come down here. So already we have the beginnings of an A. And then what I have to do is we need to do the loop around the A. So we're going to hold the 2 wires with the pliers, with the round pliers, and then we're going to just bring it back. So this is sort of the beginning points of the A. So you see the A coming along there, and maybe this part has to be a little bit lower. It's all right. And what you need to do is you need a larger round form because you need to loop it around. So let's take the top wire that's on the top and hold the round form and just bring it all the way around. So bring it around. We're just making it circular around there. So just careful to get a nice round shape. Bring it around as much as you need to. And already there's your A, like your and signs or at signs. So let's just bring this right around a little bit more if you have to. Okay, and then this one here, you're also going to round it up, but you are going to not go all the way around because this one you need to end it at the top. So this one, same thing, we're going to round it around a little bit, but it's actually going to end centered at the top, because what you want to do is we're going to make a loop with that to hang the earring hook from. So we're going to take that back one and put it up. So there's the one we've just gone a half circle around, and this one's gone all the way around. So for this one, you want to hold it here at the end of the circle and bend it back. So we're just going to bend it back around on itself. See, we've bent it to the back. And then we're going to get our marker again. This is one of those old Crayola markers. If you have kids, you probably have some of these in the house. And there we go. And then you want to twist that around. So make sure it stays like kind of centered. Hold it like that and then bring it around. And there we have, it's coming along, and we'll clip the end. And then bend this and form our loop around. And then we want to finish off this with a little roundabout. Clip the end, and then if you need to, just pinch the ends in a bit so they're not pokey. And then this, if you need to adjust it, just take your flat pliers, adjust it a little bit, and get your hook. Here, these are great gifts for people that are either in social media or techie. So there we have the @ sign and the hashtag for earrings, and they would also make cute pendants or charms as well.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share pictures of your wire work, be sure to join the Wire Art and Jewelry Makers Club on Facebook, where we share inspiration, tutorials, and all kinds of resources for wire jewelry making. If you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in wedding cake toppers and custom wire jewelry. And also, if you'd like to be on my mailing list, I have a little mini ebook, Wire Art Essentials, that I'll send you, and I'll link that up below as well. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.